Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Robinhood using two-factor authentication, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with two-factor authentication on Robinhood, first, open the Robinhood app on your device. If you haven't already, log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Settings from the list of options. In the Settings menu, look for the Security section and tap on it. You will see an option for two-factor authentication. Tap on two-factor authentication to proceed. Now, you will be prompted to set up 2FA. You can choose between using an authentication app or receiving codes via SMS. If you prefer using an authentication app, download an app such as Google Authenticator or Authy if you don't have one. Once the app is installed, return to the Robinhood app. Select the option to set up using an authentication app. A QR code will appear on your screen. Open your authentication app and scan the QR code. The app will generate a 6-digit code for you. Enter that code back into the Robinhood app to verify. If you choose SMS, enter your phone number where prompted. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Enter that code in the Robinhood app to proceed. Once verified, two-factor authentication will be activated. You will now be required to enter a code from your authentication app or SMS each time you log in. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure. In case you ever lose access to it, consider keeping backup codes in a safe place. You have now successfully set up two-factor authentication on Robinhood. This adds an extra layer of security to your trading account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.